Recently, some Call of Duty players have been complaining about can't connect server issues. Unfortunately, the Call of Duty shows can't connect server while connecting to the Call of Duty game. Now, if you find that you can play the Call of Duty game because of this can't connect to server error, after analyzing can't connect to server issues, here I present top 3 solutions that will fix the connect server problem on Call of Duty. So, let's get started. Before you do anything, check the Call of Duty server. To check server, open a browser of your choice on your device. Type www.downdetector.com. Now type Call of Duty. Now if you see the red chart is getting up, that means there are ongoing issues with the server. In that case, you need to wait for the Call of Duty to fix its problems. Or if you see the red chart is down and flat, that means there are no issues with the Call of Duty server right now. Now, if there is no issues with the server, but you have issues with that cannot connect server, then follow the process. Now, sometimes you can have issues when you have poor internet speed, so now you can quickly run a speed test on your device. If you found that your internet is not working well on your mobile device, you can enable airplane mode for 20 seconds and turn off your airplane mode. Or you can switch your mobile network from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Call of Duty apps. Tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start. Tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, go back, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, enable all the setting, now tap Clear Data. Tap Clear all data. Tap OK. After the first process, now follow the next process. Now tap on the Google Play Store, tap Search option, type Call of Duty, and quickly check for a new software update for a Call of Duty application. Now go back to your open Call of Duty. Now try to play the games and see what happens. After following the process, if you still have issues with cannot connect server problem, please comment below if you still have issues with Call of Duty on your Android. Thanks for watching.